Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Tampa, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're talking about budgeting a deck or patio project in Tampa without cutting into safety or structure. It's normal to care about costs, but there are smart ways to save, and there are places you really should not trim. Let's start with what drives cost the most. Size is a big one. A larger deck requires more footings, framing, surface material, and labor. Height is another driver. A low platform close to the ground is usually less expensive than a taller deck with long posts, full railings, and big stair sets. Extra features like multiple levels, curves, and built-in seating also add time and materials. If you're looking to manage budget, simplifying the shape is one of the easiest wins. A clean rectangle or L shape costs less per usable square foot than a design with lots of angles and cutouts. You still get a solid, attractive space, but more of your budget goes into structure and quality materials instead of extra labor. Where you should not cut corners is structure. Footings, beams, joists, connectors, and hardware are what keep your deck safe. Using undersized lumber, skipping hardware, or spacing support too far apart might save money up front, but it shortens the life of the deck and can create safety problems. In Tampa, our weather will quickly test any weak spots. Railings and stairs are also not the place to go cheap. These are the components people grab and walk on every day. They protect you from falls and help you move safely up and down. Code-compliant rail heights, proper baluster spacing, strong posts, and consistent stair rise and run are basics we don't compromise on. Materials offer more room for choice. Traditional pressure-treated wood costs less upfront than composite decking. But wood needs regular maintenance, especially in our humid, sunny climate. Over time, cleaning, staining, and potential repairs add up. Composite decking, like Trex, costs more on day one, but can lower your ongoing maintenance costs and extend the useful life of the surface. One strategy is to keep the design simple, but choose solid, long-lasting materials. For example, you might build a straightforward rectangular deck with a basic stair layout, but invest in composite decking and quality railings. That way you're not paying for complex shapes, but you are paying for durability and lower upkeep. Planning for future upgrades can also help. If you know you eventually want a pergola or a covered area, you can design the structure now to handle that load later, even if you don't build the roof right away. That means setting posts and beams in the right places and using hardware that can accept those additions. It is more efficient than trying to retrofit everything later. Be honest about your must-haves and nice-to-haves. Maybe a large multi-level design looks great on paper, but a single level with solid railings and good stairs meets your needs just as well. Or maybe you can skip built-in benches and instead spend that budget on better surface materials that will hold up longer. If you'd like help building a realistic budget for your project, you can reach our team at 813-534-5635 or visit toughdeckbuilderstampa.com. At Tough Deck Builders Tampa, we focus on getting the structure right first, then shaping the design around your budget so you don't trade away safety for short-term savings. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Tampa.